Hello guys, welcome to day 192 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Let me tell you this, a lot of you guys, a lot of people in the comment section in the YouTube told me that with spending about 20 minutes or 30 minutes per day, I cannot learn programming, and this is from the first day I'm usually hear this in the comment section. But after about 192 days, I'm still trying to learn with only spending 20 minutes or 30 minutes per day. And due this time, I learned a lot of things. I learned a lot of things about user interface, about UI, how to create the face of the website. And right now I'm trying to learn the back end, which is about server, which is about creating applications and database. So if you are new to this channel and you are thinking about if this challenge about studying about 20 minutes per day is going to help you, is definitely going to help you, because it helped me too much. You can check my other videos. You can see that I created a lot of projects for myself, and that projects was very successful. So don't hesitate to start this challenge. So let's get back to our job, which is creating the interface of Discord. I started this project a couple of days ago and I'm trying to complete it. So if you don't know what is this project, I'm going to describe it very briefly for you. Let's get started. All right, guys, let me show you the project that I'm trying to create. This is the Discord channel that I am trying to create, the interface of this website. This is my channel. We are programmers in this channel. We help each other in solving problems in web development and to become a full stack. If you are not joining this channel, you can join via this invite link in the description. So what I have created right now is this part, and I am created a template. So right now I'm here. Yesterday I created this text, and now I am trying to create it, to change the fonts of it to become something like this one. In order to do this, I think I have to go to Google Font. So this is the site. I have to find a proper font. Let me check it again. I think it's like Arial font. There is a font called Arial. It doesn't have it. I saw it in the Microsoft Word. Let's check this. Let's filter by language. We just want English. Why it doesn't have English? Arabic, Chinese. It have everything but English. It's weird. So is it like this? Text channel, sans serifs or serif? The text itself is good, okay? The text here is good, but I want to practice to create a font. So this is a good practice, right? Searching for the nice font. Is it like it? Is it the same? Text channel. It looks like the same. We can use this one. So I have to use get font. get embed code. So how this works of your HTML. Put this code in the head tag of your HTML. So copy the code in the head tag of HTML. Here is the head tag. Let's put it before the CSS style link, external link. Now that I have copied this, what is this one? CSS class for a variable style. Use a unique and descriptive class name. Wait, use a value from blah blah. Should I copy this as well? What is manrope? Is it the name of the font? Ah, yes. This is the name of the font. So CSS class for a variable style. Unique fire. Wait. This is a comment. This is use a unique and descriptive class name. So talk AI. Let's ask ChatGPT that. How can I use Google font in the HTML CSS? To use Google font in HTML and CSS, follow these steps. Go to the Google Fonts website and choose a font you want to use. Click on plus icon next to the font you want to use to add it in to your selection. So I just clicked on the link. Once you have added all the fonts you want, click on the font selection at the bottom of this screen to open the font selection window. Click on the font selection at the bottom of the screen. Font selection. You get back here. See how to use. Once you have added all the fonts, click on the font selection at the bottom. In the font selection window, you will see the HTML and CSS code needed to add the font to your website. Copy the provided code, paste the HTML code in the head selection of your HTML document. This code will link the Google Fonts style sheet, which will enable you to use the selected fonts on your website. Okay, in your CSS file, this is the problem that I have. You can then use the selected fonts by specifying it in the font family property. So like body, font family, Roberto sans serif. Let me check my notes in my other PC about how to use the fonts. Font in web development. Front end. CSS properties, font properties. Okay. So I need the name of the font here. Let me check here to see if all the codes have this same font. So can I say the whole HTML body or the body tag should have a font style, font family of have a lot of fonts itself. So what if I say manrope and also comma sans serifs for backup. But I think the manrope here it doesn't work because it have a white color. So just let's see if it worked. No, it didn't work. It made some changes here. I'm not sure if this change is because of the sans serif. So let's cut it. Let's find another font that is obvious, more obvious. Let's choose this for practice. Is this the same code that I copy and pasted here? Let's check it. Compare it. No, it's not the same code. It has some differences in here. So let's comment this one. I mean, here. Not this one. This 3 line. Okay. Now should I change this to style.css? By clicking on this, it should show me something. Font family should be like this. So let's get back here, change it to this, pressing Ctrl S. It's changed. It is changed to something like this, but it doesn't look like the butterfly kits. Let's change this part to style.css. Maybe it helped solve the problem. Nope. Let's delete this one here. Okay, the problem has been solved. But this font is not cool, so let's get back to find a good one. Closing this. Okay, this is the font man rope that we found. Remove font family, nope. get embed code. Let's copy it, paste it here, and now let's get back to CSS style and copy this one. Paste it here. Font weight. What is font weight? Use a value from 200 to 800 for font weight. 200. So I think I have to remove this. Let's check our website. It's get done. It's cool. Let's make the font size a little bit bigger, like this, or make it bolder. I think the size should be a little bit more bigger and it should be bold. So, is it change the font size? Let me use a bigger one. One of the problems, one of the things that I didn't one of the problems is I put this font family size to the body tag, but it's not right. I think I have to do this for every tag. I mean, like for the challenge column, I can use this here and delete this one. Okay, we use it here. Now we can use it here in the I think the older font for this section was better. Here, this one, but we have to change this one, which is in the microphone row. So where is the microphone row? Here it is. It is mentioning the children of the microphone row. Let's target the whole microphone row. Okay, it doesn't look like created very different, but it was a good practice, I think. So let's get back to our work. Coding. Let's create. I'm thinking about if I should create these three right now or let it to create it when I used the JavaScript functionality. We can create it later because if I create it right now, let me think. Let's create it right now. So it's have a icon, which is a hashtag, and it have a p tag, or is it a div tag? It should be a p tag, I think. Let's create 3 p tags under the text channel, under this div that I put here. But before doing this, let's make it bolder. Let's make this bolder. What was the name of it? It's a anchor tag. Here it is. So we can say style, font weight 100. This should not be in the string, I think. Style. It automatically lead me to put the values in the string, but I think this might make some problems. It bolded the text, so it's work. Now here I'm thinking about if I need to put this anchor tag into a div tag so I can control it more better, or should I let it to be anchor tag. Let's make a div tag here. Put this one here. Let's see if it makes any difference. So this caused us some problems. I think the problem is from here. I have to say let me give this a ID. txt subs. txt subs. let's get back to this later. I have to decide if I want to put it in the div tag or should it be in the anchor tags. If I use div tag, this will destroy a lot of my efforts, so I have to change a lot of things in my code. So I'm thinking about if I choose this or not. So let's get back to this later. This is not a big problem, but I have to think it before choosing other codes. I spent 32 minutes, and this font style just was a good practice for today, but I have to change this part later. I can do two things. First, I can change it right now, or I can change it when I am trying to fill these codes in the functionality in the JavaScript. So I decided in the previous videos, I decided to fill this functionality or JavaScript codes in the last steps of designing this website. So let me check if I need to do anything else here. One of the problems that I am facing is when I right click here using inspect, this button will come down here. This should not happen. This is not good. But as I am using the grid method, I think it makes this the grid method will make this responsive, and this problem is because of that responsiveness. So I have to deal with this as well. Let's do this for tomorrow. I'm going to stop the recording, and after the recording I'm going to eat dinner, and after dinner I'm going to come back here and watch a new video about machine vision. I'm trying to learn Python as well, and of course after this I'm going to watch a new lessons of web development backend as well. So let's do this practice tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.